Are everyday habits stealing your manhood? Sleep debt and late-night scrolling sap your energy and intimacy. Ultra-processed foods and binge weekends cloud your mind. Sedentary living leads to apathy while overstimulation dims real connections. Reclaim your edge, prioritize sleep, choose whole foods, move regularly, and detox from digital distractions. Rebuild with purpose, confidence, and stronger relationships. Push the reset button now. He used to crush gym sessions and chase goals. Now he's chasing caffeine, comfort, and a girl who answers maybe. 5 alarms, snooze, drive through breakfast, 2 energy drinks by noon. Doom scroll till 2 a.m. Repeat. If this hits, it's not just bad luck. It's habits that are quietly killing your manhood, your energy, confidence, discipline, purpose, and intimacy. Today, 7 everyday US habits stealing your edge, and exactly how to take it back. Oh, comment reset if you're ready to rebuild. Smash like so YouTube shows this to more men who need it. 1. Sleep debt plus. Late night scrolling, falling asleep to TikTok, Netflix, and blue light nukes your morning drive. Less sleep, or more cravings, worse workouts, shorter fuse, less presence with your partner. ESPN till midnight, then Instagram till 2 a.m., then a 7 a.m. commute. You're starting every day in a hole. Fix today. Step 1. Set a window. Lights out, 10:30 p.m., 6:30 a.m. Pick 8 hours and defend it. Step 2. Phone docked in the kitchen. Alarm clock by the bed. Step 3. 90-minute digital sunset. No social, no email, no news. Shower, stretch, read 10 pages. Step 4. Weekend consistency. Don't swing your schedule by 3 hours. 2. Ultra-processed food. Weekend benders. Junk in, junk out, drive-through dinners, DoorDash at midnight, just a few beers that turn into a foggy Sunday. This combo drains focus, mood, and desire. Office donuts, energy drinks, happy hour, late pizza. Monday feels like a hangover you didn't earn. Fix this week. Step 1. Anchor each meal. Protein, plus produce plus water. Eggs, berries, bowl with chicken, rice, veggies. Step 2. 20 rule, 80% whole foods, 20% flex. Step 3. Alcohol ceiling. Max 2 drinks on any night, 0 2 days a week. Step 4. Sunday prep. 3 proteins, 2 carbs, 2 veggies. Stock your fridge so convenience serves you. 3. Sitting all day, every day, couch slump spiral. Commute, desk, couch, repeat, tightens hips, ruins posture, and tanks energy. The less you move, the less you want to move. Fix today. Step 1. 10K steps as a default. Walk calls, park far, take stairs. Step 2. Lift 3x week, 45-minute requires. Push, pull legs, or full body. Keep it simple. Squat, hinge, push, pull, carry. Step 3. Micro wins, 10 push-ups plus. 10 air squats every time you make coffee. Momentum over perfection. 4. Overstimulation, porn, clips, constant novelty. Cheap dopamine, expensive consequences. Endless tabs and 7-second clips train your brain to need fireworks for focus and intimacy. Real connection feels meh, and discipline feels impossible. Fix next 30 days. Step 1. Detox. Block sites, delete triggers, move your router shut down to midnight. Step 2. Replace with friction. Cold shower, 20-minute walk, 10 pages read when urges spike. Step 3. Reconnect for real. Eye contact, dates, actual conversation. Desire grows where attention goes. Remember, this video is for education, not medical advice. If you're struggling, talk to a licensed pro. 5. Isolation. No men, no mentors. Strong alone, rare. Strong together, common. After college, many US men lose team sports and close male friendships. Without iron sharpening iron, standards slip. Bedtime, gym time, life goals. Fix this month. Training partner or men's league. Basketball, jiu-jitsu, run club. Monthly mentor coffee, someone 10 years ahead. Weekly brother check-in, Sunday text with wins, workouts, and one hard truth. People-pleasing, no boundaries. A man with no has no life. Saying yes to every favor, extra shift, and late-night call means saying no to your sleep, gym, and goals. People respect your boundaries or they use your lack of them. Fix, start small. Step 1. Default phrase, let me check my calendar. Step 2. Protect mornings. No social, no email before your first deep work or workout. Step 3. Calendar your life. Non-negotiables first. Sleep, training, meal prep. Then everyone else. One courageous no every week. Your energy is finite. Spend it like money. Chronic stress purpose drift. Busy on mission. News doomscrolling, a job you hate, and vague goals keep you anxious and unfocused. When you don't know what you're building, everything becomes a distraction. Fix daily. Step 1, 3, 2, 1, protocol. Step 2, 3 priorities written before 9 a.m. Step 3, 2 minutes box breathing when stressed. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. Step 4, 1 hour deep work, phone in another room. Weekly review, what moved you forward? What to kill next week? Quarterly target, 1 physical goal, 1 financial goal, 1 relationship goal, visible on your wall. I.